Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a tune-up report for Wranga in Canada on the Stryker SR-955. Wranga, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, as well as the ERF 2030 plus MOSFETs in the final section. Let's get right to it. Oh, we got your clarifier set on track and transmit receive together. It's locked together. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. 2 watts, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. 20 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. 64 watts. 250 watt slug in PEP. 120 PEP. Now you're going to be running some sideband, so let's go on over to sideband. 250 watt slug. And go about 110 PEP on sideband. Alrighty, Wranga, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Bump bump.